Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Dropbox for media relinking in Premiere Pro step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Dropbox account in your web browser. Create a dedicated folder for your Premiere Pro project within Dropbox. Upload all media files required for your project into this folder. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Start a new project or open an existing project that needs relinking. Navigate to the project panel where your media files are displayed. Select the offline media files that require relinking. Right-click on any of the selected files and choose Link Media. In the Link Media dialog box, click on Locate. This will open a File Explorer window. Navigate to your Dropbox folder where your media files are stored. Select the corresponding media file that you need to relink. Once selected, click on the Open button. Premiere Pro will prompt you to link to other missing files in the same location. Ensure that the relink color option is checked if applicable. Click OK to complete the relinking process. Confirm that the media files are now online by checking the project panel. Repeat the relinking process for any other offline media files. Your Premiere Pro project should now have all media files successfully relinked to Dropbox. Make sure you save your project to retain these changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.